push me.
Oh shoot!
Go.
Oh wait, I can get on.
To well-known white guys such as Jonesy and Marshmallow, and Rosa Pump refused to sit on the four-leg back.
In your bladder, but in your appendix is what tells you to get rid of it.
Well, we got Neil deGrasse Tyson over here. He knows everything. That's not true for Yvonne.
Yvonne hates everybody. Yvonne is just hot. You know what my mom asked me earlier, Yvonne? She said, what's Yvonne again? Albanian? There is no next
people
car.
behind us!
Yes, there is. Oh no!
Go park!
This is the most embarrassing shit ever. We're gonna come back and we're gonna be like,
Alright, we're back.
okay, we're back. We have a plan.
Okay.
How much cash do you
Why
have?
are you?
This is what we need to figure out first.
I'm gonna mobile.
No,
Wait, that'll actually make it easier because then if he just says, "Oh, I have a mobile order," and then he puts our orders in, it makes it sound like we're less dumb.
We already established
This is
that.
part two,
Yeah,
alright?
this is. We're gonna go back in there and we're gonna.
Alright, we're ready.
Ah, fucking Harley, what the fuck?
what did I do?
We weren't ready.
Yeah, you weren't ready.
Fucking shit.
Come on, man, it's not that hard. Why don't you just try to practice first? Look, what about that girl right there? She's beautiful. Why don't you try talking to her?
Hello, I am Professor Psychotic. I'm